Hello. In this short video, we'll learn how to use the filing status report to identify non-filers or successful filers. Start at your home page in NetFIle. Hover over Reports, and then select Filing Status Report. From the Department dropdown, select your department. Remember, I'm in a test environment. You will only see your department listed here. For type of report, here you can select non-filers or successful filers. You can leave type of filer blank. For filing type, note that you can select annual, assuming, or leaving. You can ignore candidate. This means you can use this same report to identify those who haven't filed their annual, assuming office, or leaving office statements. For form type, select FPPC 700. Hit search, and the report populates. You can use the export button to export the report to Excel as well.